Widespread belief among whom? The lawmakers, the law. No, 1 second. 1 second of political parties.
Even a former Supreme Court judge has said that he should not have been given capital punishment.
Sir, please don't choose selectively.
Because three of
Sir,
the
don't
co-accused
choose selectively.
have been let off
Don't choose
in the same
selectively.
case.
Sir, you are choosing selectively.
No,
The Supreme Court rejected.
I'm not doing
no,
that.
sir, you did. Because Supreme Court rejected Muller's mercy plea. 1 second. You showed complete disregard for the law, not you as in your political party, by saying, quote, instead of legal and technical grounds, the sentiments of the community and humanity should have been taken into consideration. You say sentiments. You are playing on sentiments and emotion.
We are saying that not at all. We are saying that he must be punished for what he did. But don't punish the man twice over.
You are bringing sentiments.
You have kept him behind bars for 18 years.
Sir, you are saying sentiments.
This is not sentiment.
Sir, I'm sorry.
This is not the law of the land that you punish the man twice over.
Mr. Gujral, while you may say you are not politicizing terror, hence let me remind you that the Supreme Court observed in March 2012, in a politically volatile case of Balwant Singh Rajwana, the Supreme Court said, and tell me if I am wrong, that the Rajwana clemency plea was a drama enacted by your government.
Well, that's for them to believe, but that's not the ground reality.
Well, you are emotionally exploiting cases. You are emotionally exploiting cases.
We know that this will it would have set Punjab on fire.
Sir, come on,
and
sir.
Punjab has suffered for a decade in the 80s.
Exactly
we don't
what
want
the
that
National
being
Conference
repeated.
says. That's exactly what the National Conference says in another context. Aslam Ghani, isn't that exactly what you say in another context? So
Arnab, I'm sorry, the way you are putting the things, I am not even able to understand what is the subject of the debate.
The subject of debate is the politicization of terror.
No, please let me speak, Arnab, please. Politicization of terror, I told you in my last participating in your debate, I told you that it's all politics. Today, 16 people are injured, and those poor people who are just must have been going to their jobs. And again, you are providing a platform to these people.
Which people?
To get themselves project to the politicians, to the people who are trying to drive benefit out of all this. I'm telling you, please, no. I'm not talking as a political person.
Today, because you are not representing National Conference, you are saying this. Let me remind you of the position that you have taken when you were with the National Conference. You have conveniently changed your position today.
Arnab, please. If you want to throw things on me, that's a different thing. If you want to listen to me, please listen to me with little patience. I have told you a little earlier also what I told you, what I'm telling you today. I am telling you today even this thing, that kindly do a positive exercise and try to find the people who are responsible for this. You don't know what is happening in your country. You absolutely do not try to understand. You want to make every one of us, you want to make people believe. You want to make people believe what is not the reality.
No, what is not the reality? One second. Mr. Aslam Ghani. Mr. Aslam Ghani, allow me. I'm not in the Mr. Aslam Ghani, 1 minute, please. Now we will have to argue on fact. Because you are making some sweeping generalizations. So let me bring you down to fact.
Yes.
Let me bring you down to fact.
Yes, please, come on.
Not once.
Yes.
When Omar Abdullah said, media should not hang anyone prematurely and allow the legal course to take its own course, and went on to say that Afzal Guru is 29th in the list of condemned prisoners. Why were you silent then? Because you were with the National Conference.
No, what are you saying? Why are you?
I am asking you on fact.
Person into it.
I am asking you on fact.
Why are you? Yes, that's a fact.
So you admit on national television you took a convenient position because you were with a political party then.
That is a no. I am telling you that's a fact. That Afzal Guru was in a row far away from
Come on, sir. So what happened to the row? It disappeared.
It's a fact.
It disappeared overnight.
Please tell me. Can there would have been more gruesome?
Mr. Aslam Ghani, I don't think you are on strong ground,
Rajiv
sir.
Gandhi being murdered. As back as in 1991,
Sir, it's
don't have a word to speak about why his children are not being executed.
please, sir. Please don't
Why,
get.
why is Minister not being executed?
You are getting-
Please, kindly.
Sir, yeah,
Arnab, listen.
Sir, don't
we
get-
shall not have double speak.
Sir, there is-
I am not a person who goes into a double speak.
Sir,
I
Mr.
am telling
Mr. Assam
you,
Goni, I am now going across to Vicky Nanjappa. Vicky Nanjappa, Vicky Nanjappa, Vicky Nanjappa.
No, listen.
Okay, GD Bakshi is responding. 1 second, sir. Let's now open up the debate. We have half an hour left for the debate. GD Bakshi is countering you. GD Bakshi, please. GD Bakshi. GD Bakshi. Listen to the other side.
You were coming on facts to me. Now come on facts. Let us be on facts. Let us not bury the
Afzal Guru attacked the Indian Parliament, which is also the Parliament of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And we had the spectacle of the Chief Minister himself trying to incite the people in the Assembly to go on a mass rampage. I think it's about time we called a halt to all this. The unfortunate problem is that action against terrorists is being equated to actions against a particular community.
This is a sheer
That is what is the problem.
It's a sheer exploitation.
Sir, come on.
I think this is just.
Sir, I think we need to. I think the problem is. I
Mr.
think.
Afzal Beg, I think you should kindly listen to the other side. I don't think you have a monopoly on just raising your voice.
The people who do not want to admit the fact.
Vicky Nanjappa, I'm opening up. 1 second. Vicky Nanjappa, my question to you before I go back to Subramanian. 1 minute. Mr. Goni, don't get emotionally surcharged. I'm only questioning you on
No,
fact.
emotionally
Sir, 1
because
minute,
I
sir.
feel-
Please
I
don't, sir.
feel
Don't let
that
emotion come in the way. My question to Vicky Nanjappa is this. Vicky, is there any doubt? Vicky, do terror groups, from your vast experience of reporting on terror groups, can you answer whether terror groups feel that sometimes they can take the camouflage or the support of politicians and political parties to put a veneer over their actions? Do they exploit this political confusion or not?
They do definitely exploit the political confusion because if you notice the Bangalore blast, I mean, it's about 6 to 7 hours old, and the issue is about some person's tweet. Nobody's on the investigation. So what is happening is, the officials or the ministers or the politicians who should be, on the job, sitting and, discussing with the police, if they are going to get into politicking, then, we're going to lose a lot of time in investigation. And what has always happened is, due to failure in investigation, due to no possible proper arrest and hardly a 0% kind of conviction rate in Indian Mujahideen related cases, there's no deterrent for them to come and, strike again. They know that, very well, if it was a bomb which was planted outside the BJP office, there would be this kind of political confusion. Is BJP trying to gain mileage, or is Congress trying to gain mileage? So it works as a perfect platform for them, and they do it each and every time. They know that half the time it is all about blame game.
Precisely.
Because I'm telling you, the boys who were caught in the Hyderabad blast very, very clearly say there is no will by the police.
Yeah.
There is no will by the establishment. So that gives us a free hand.
That's true. That's the point. And
they're
Dr.
very aware of that fact.
Dr. Swami, the fact is also perhaps they also feel that the state will not act strongly, that the laws may exist but the political will is lacking.
Yeah. Yes. Well, you see, you go back to the first major terrorist event in our country, which is in 1989, when the National Conference in Kashmir abetted 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandits to be driven out of the state of Kashmir, who are now largely living in refugee camp in their own country. Now, everybody has forgotten about that. Unless you retaliate for terrorist act, you will not get any control. This will go on happening every day. We are getting used to terrorist acts now. We debate it for a day and then it's forgotten. We have to hold people accountable, and you have to make politicians explain what is the retaliation that they are going to do. There are ways of doing it. You have to have a policy which is called a deterrent policy. What is the deterrence? When 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandits are being driven out in a country which is supposed to be 83% Hindu, it is shocking that nobody even talks about it. So how do you expect anybody to be excited about doing anything on terrorism?
Specify. One second. Specify and I'll get a response. Specify what kind of sweeping action do you want? when they carry out sweeping action, the BJP, I'm not saying you're a member of the BJP, but the people who complain the most about Asim.
If your defense minister says that there are 53 camps which are training terrorists in what is called the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, we should go and bomb it. Why aren't we bombing it when it's, after all, Pakistan occupied Kashmir is Indian territory. We can bomb our own territory. There cannot be any international consequence of that. But we don't do it.
You are taking it too far.
The moment something happens, there are 2 days of bewailing, and then after that we start talking with the very sponsors of terrorists. What is Pakistan today?
Mehboob Beg.
What is happening? Do you know what is happening in the
Mehboob
elections
Beg is
today?
responding. Mehboob Beg is responding to you. Mehboob Beg of the National Conference, go ahead.
Arnab, this is shocking, and to hear it from a person like Dr. Subramaniam Swamy. He says they are our people, so therefore we should bombard them, we should kill them and assassinate them. That's what he wants us to do.
I said it's our territory. Please pay attention to what I said.
Unfortunate, number one. Number two, he is distorting the fact. It was not National Conference who was responsible for...
You watched 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandits from being driven from their own homeland.
Had to flee Kashmir Valley. It was not only Pandits, even Kashmiri Muslims. And do you know who were the targets of militants? National Conference workers. It was not you, General Bakshi. It were National Conference workers, and they died. Hundreds of them died while fighting terrorism and while fighting militants. That's very unfortunate. Because you can very easily blame National Conference, who has been responsible for the national integration all along and all through, who has been responsible.
Yes, General Bakshi.
You please remind
May I just remind you that 5,500 Indian soldiers died in that action.
You better remind them.
All right, may I come in? Arnab, I'd like to state...
Well, you take back the 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandits.
When you try to equate action against terrorists with actions against a particular community, that is where the worst form of politicization of terror occurs. You equate actions against terrorists with actions against a community per se.
I'm sorry, General Bakshi.
That has been the problem.
General Bakshi, don't be selective. Don't be selective, General Bakshi, because then I'm going to ask Meenakshi Lekhi a question that she'll be uncomfortable with. It's all right to take that line and say you want action against terrorists. You are worried that will be associated with action against a community. And it's all right for Rajnath Singh to say today we never politicized terror activities. Who attacked? I'm asking Meenakshi Lekhi, who attacked the ATS of acting in a politically and unprofessional manner on the Sadhvi Pragya issue? Who was on the back foot on Swami Asim Anand? No, who said this is all a conspiracy against the BJP?
Allow me the answer.
You won't let me give more examples, I can give you more.
No. I can speak on each case. And I will speak on each case, and I think Congress will have a lot of answers.
Address the broader issue being raised
here. Because you are relating Sadhvi Pragya. No, I'm sorry. Allow me. Please allow me now. I will answer, and you have to give me the time. Malegaon blast, there was an investigation by the ATS Maharashtra, and ATS Maharashtra found certain people who were involved in terrorist activities. There are 167 statements, not one, not two, but 20 odd such statements. And post that, these people are getting convicted. The charge sheet has started, the process has started. All of a sudden, the matter is transferred to CBI. And CBI also comes to the same conclusion with little variation of adding 1 or 2 names. Even that becomes dissatisfactory. NIA, which was constituted for the purposes of taking care of 2611, nothing happened in 2611. These cases are handed over. And 26... I'm sorry, I'm taking your question.
I have a question.
I am taking your question and I'm answering you on every point.
No, you're not answering my question.
Exactly my point.
No, you're not answering
exactly my point.
In Manohar Parrikar case, in
I'm sorry, you're not letting me speak.
Clear politicization, which we need to curb down.
One sec.
I'm sorry, you allow me
lot of time.
you
need,
allow me to
I want
answer.
to put it
Yeah,
here.
but just Abid Rasool, 1 minute. Abid Rasool, 1 minute.
This is unfortunate that you're not letting me speak.
Abid
You're not
Rasool-
letting me speak.
Abid Rasool, allow me.
When I'm
I want
speaking,
to ask
Mr.
a question.
Rasool,
You answer.
I'm speaking about
but I just-
APS
one
was
question.
controlled
One
by
question.
a Congress-run government.
There you
CBI was
politicize.
controlled by a Congress-run government. In spite of that, you send it to NIA. I am not
question is this.
politicizing. And so
Question
far
is
as
this.
Pakistan
If a
Samjhauta
question
Blast
is
is
this.
concerned,
Question-
you see, had you...
Question
No,
is-
question is very simple.
No, you not
Arnab,
understood my
allow me
question,
the answer.
Meenakshi.
Allow me the answer.